Well, good afternoon, everybody. We have a few little clouds around here, but we haven't been very lucky because there are actually some rain showers around the area. But I'll tell you, it's the setup with Idalia down there and the dome up to the north. It's kind of an unusual weather pattern that we're going to get for the next couple of days. It feels like 109 out there. The humidity has gone up, but we're getting a north wind, so it's all, shall we say, off the rails here. We did get up to 105. Can you believe it? I mean, I thought we were going to, with a north wind, you'd think we'd cool down a little bit, but it's a dry air mass, and that's why it got so sunny and so hot. The rain showers have been sort of popping around in and around the area. Here we are. You can see one just coming down, I guess, Highway 183 there, and a little bit heavier activity out toward Goliad County, and then over to Karnes City, as you can see right about there. Karnes City already had about a quarter of an inch of rain. They're not huge, but you know, something's appreciated. The whole thing is that it's very unusual that all this is coming to us from the north. You notice how everything is drifting southward. Well, an unusual weather pattern is set up that has brought us the very high temperatures today. These are hot, dry temperatures with 105 for us, 104 in Port Lavaca. I know you're probably getting used to these numbers, aren't you? Yeah. Hopefully, you know, sooner or later they'll be gone. But tomorrow still on the warm side, and notice 97 up north and 102 and 101 down south. Now, why is all this happening? Well, here is Idalia. It is already strengthening up to 70 miles an hour, and it will become a Category 1 tonight. It'll strengthen to a 2 overnight and then to a 3. Okay, now 3 is a major category hurricane, and then it will start moving ashore somewhere between Tampa Bay and Apalachicola. Now, these areas either should be evacuating or should be making serious preparations right about now, and there's really no good spot here. This is all very flat land, and the storm surge is going to be quite amazing from the Tampa Bay area northward. In fact, Tampa, Clearwater, probably the most populated area. They're really going to get the brunt of it because the storm surge is coming up in this way, so it'll be going way up into the back bays. Now, the storm center will bring it somewhere right along the central Big Bend, as they call it, but Apalachicola is over here, flat land here. The problem is, as a 1, it'll be going over Gainesville and Tallahassee, and then as a diminishing 1 will be going over southern Georgia. So this is going to be a big story of the next couple of days. High pressure, or the dome as we call it, is out to the west of us. We're on the front side of it, so that's giving us the downslope or the north wind. Now, as Idalia starts moving up to Florida, we're going to get a stronger north dry wind, and that gives us a hot, dry pattern. So they're going to be getting tremendous hurricane force winds. We're getting hot, dry wind. Same thing, I don't know if you remember Katrina. Katrina had 100-mile-an-hour winds over here, and we were at 100 degrees temperature. So it just depends on where you're standing. Tomorrow in the Port Lavaca area, getting up to 97. You'll notice the north winds all over the area. Getting up to 98 in the Cuero area. We'll stay on the hot side as we get that north wind for the next few days. And we don't really see any moisture rolling back until sometime this weekend. That's your 7-day forecast. Now we'll toss it. Oh, got to remind you that we do have a QR code. We'd love for you to scan that and put Crossroads Today on your phone. Here's